Hello everyone, this is short introduction video for my fluid bed roaster I have built. So let's take a quick look first. Everything is done by Tri-Clamps. As you can see, there are EPDM gaskets between the sections over here. So let's start from the bottom where the fan and heater is located. So this fan is 1200 watts DC fan, and it has its own dedicated control box and a knob, so I can adjust the speed of the fan easily. And the fan goes straight to the heater section. Heater is located on this section over here, and it is 9900 watts 3-phase. So the cable comes from here, and then is the grounding for the heater also. And then it goes to the middle section over here that is attached to the funnel. So you can see it over there. And then I have a temperature probe over there. And this was actually custom made for myself. I ordered from manufacturer from this section also. And this glass tube is 6-inch wide, and it's 30 centimeters in height. And then I have a funnel over here and an ET temp probe over here. And then I will unload the bees from this upper section. I have a clamp over there, of course, when I'm roasting. But when I'm unloading the beans, I will use this type of funnel and just load the beans from the part of this funnel. Then the chaff goes to this section, and this is actually a little bit different from the original design because I used normal cyclone and a bucket, but the diameter of this section is too small, so it actually restricts the airflow too much. So I wanted to make different kind of design because I don't have right now money to buy a bigger cyclone. So I made this style chaff collector. So I have a tube inside over there, if you can see it, that one. So when the chaff is pushed by the air, this is closed, of course, from the top. It will push the chaff inside out here, and it will circulate. Air will start circulating, so all the chaff is on the bottom section, and it can freely, the air can freely flow to the tube I have over here. So this goes to the upper section over there, and there's a fan that will ventilate the hot air and the smoke out. And one of the cool things about this mesh type of chaff collector is that I can actually hear the first crack really easily. It starts hearing from this section because the air can flow really easily through the whole section, so it's quite nice. And then I have the controller over here I have built. So I'm using Delta HMI touchscreen, and then I can load 8 different profiles. Let me show you one. So you can adjust temperature and time. So it will start from 25 degrees Celsius, and it will take 1 minute to go 100, and then 4 minutes to 165, and then 4 minutes to 200. And the crack usually happens, as you know, around 195, 96, depends a little bit from bean. and then it starts rising 2 minutes for the this is the end temperature I'm using with this profile. Yeah. So then you can load the profile, the temp curve, time curve to PID I have over here. So this communicates with the Modbus, with the HMI, and this controls the heating element unit over here with the SSR over here. Yeah. So that's the build. And if you have any questions about the build, I'm happily I will try to answer them all, and just ask them on the comment section. I will try to answer all of them, and I will try to make a list for all the parts I have used in this build, so you can check them easily also. Yeah. So happy roasting, everybody. Cheers.